Hello, kids! Today we will learn fun shapes drawing together.
First shape is a circle. Let's draw a big round circle.
Circle is round like a ball. Can you say circle?
Next shape is a triangle. 1, 2, 3 sides.
Triangle looks like a mountain. Say triangle.
Here comes a lovely heart.
Twinkle. This is a star. Now let's draw a square. 4 equal sides.
Square looks like a window. Say square.
Great job, kids! You learned circle, triangle, square, heart, and star.